Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to another kit lineup video. I am showing you the kit lineup for my for the month of July in my both my A5 wide that you see on this channel and also my off-camera planner, which is where I just do spreads for fun for me. Yeah, so now we are going to get straight into it without any further ado. And the first week we have the week of the 30th of June, and I, in my main planner, will be using the Cyber Monday Mystery Kit from 2022 from Scribble Prints Co. I do believe this has been re-released. It is a board game themed kit. This week we are going to have a games night with our neighbours. It is actually my mum's birthday as well, but we will probably spend some time with her, and we played quite a lot of games with her as well, so I feel like it does represent her, even though it's not like a birthday kit for her. So yeah, these are the full boxes, the deco and sidebar bits, glitter headers and more games. So I have played all of these games but Gloomhaven. I don't know what Trouble is, or Candyline's. Candyline's an American game anyway, but yeah, they've got those colours there. You've got your square boxes, littles, solids and patterns. I love those patterns. You've got the bottom washi tape, one extra full box, then you've got an extra colour here which I probably will put in, the doodles, and then you've got a whole load of extra skin and hair colours for this box here. I don't think the other box is in the kit, so this is an extra box as well, which is lovely. I did decide to go with rainbow foil to keep with the rainbow theme of this, and I went back and forth on whether to use a simple confetti or whether to use this, but basically I couldn't decide on any good underlays, so I decided to go with this because it has fun underlays, and I thought that was just like a better way to do it. So this is the Groovy foil bundle from Scribble Prints Co, and it does have the whole rainbow in, and it is a shattered glass that you can kind of see there. I don't love that the smileys are full dots most of the time, but it works. So this is the foil bundle. You've got your bougie there, and I haven't pulled in any other bougie. I could put in a solid underneath, but I don't think it needs it. Scripts and icons, and then the bottom washi page there. You can see it is a shattered glass all the way across, but yeah, this is a slightly older format that doesn't have hole protectors, but that's okay. But that is the foil bundle. So we are keeping it pretty simple that week, with just a Scribble Prints Co kit and foil bundle. So as I said, that is for the week of the 30th. Moving on to the week of the 7th, we do go on guide camp this week, so I'm using the only camping kit I have, which is the May Mystery 2024. I think I picked this up as in a D-stash because I wasn't subscribed at this point. It is a summer camp. It's sort of a more American summer camp theme, but it will work for what we're doing. There are a couple of other things I could have done, and you'll see one of those because the camp starts this week and goes into the next week. So actually I might swap this in the next kit. We'll see. Anyway, I'm just thinking out loud. So anyway, we've got the full boxes here. I will be there hopefully probably the whole time. These colours are a little bit more fall rather than autumn rather than summer, but this is when the camp is, so it's when I'm gonna do it. I do need some more camping kits. I hate colour blocked headers, day covers. It really winds me up. Sadly, none of these have only female. Oh no, these are all female presenting. So yeah, it'll be good fun to use those. Then we've got loads and loads of extra full boxes and stuff. Yeah, I definitely bought this in a D-stash because I wouldn't have picked up the scribblers, but this person did. And then you've also got the deco and the extra colour. We'll see if I probably will bring in that extra colour because it will add a little bit of more summery colours, like earlier summer colours. Then foil bundle wise, I am using a mixed metal, gold and champagne lights in the confetti. So you've got your full boxes, your bougie, I've just pulled one off there, your scripts and icons, and your bottom washi. Then I've pulled off one of those because I'm going to be using grid underlays as well, and so we're going to be pairing the grid underlays with the confetti just like that, to give you a nice little extra shimmer, and I just think the red foil kind of matches the reddy orange in the kit really well, so that will be that. So hang on, there's the vision. I'm obsessed with it. I'm really excited for this spread, but yeah, this week is only a little bit of camp, so I think I might actually swap this kit with the next kit. But yeah, so that's there. So now for the actual week of the 7th, but this, I'm going to say the week of the 14th, because I will use the previous kit for the week of the 14th and this for the week of the 7th. So our camp theme is under the sea, so I am using an aquarium foil bundle. This one is from Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly to save 10%. Obviously we're not going to an aquarium, but it is under the sea themed, so I thought this would be a good little balance, and I love all the blues and purples. They are my favourites. You've got the gift shop there, the double box scene, and there's so many double boxes in this. This is art by Clip Art Kits, I believe. So you've got the alternate skin and hair colours there and the old deco icon. Then I get the 15mm add-on and the box add-on there. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do this because it literally has 4 double boxes, which could be really interesting to use. But yeah, we'll deal with that when we get to it. Then foil wise, I first up have this mixed metal sparkly hollow and lavender hollow. I just thought that would work well. This is in the star format, so you've got 2 of the full boxes there, you've got 2 of your bougie, your script and icon page, and your bottom washi there. So then with this, I love this circle because it looks kind of like bubbles, and I love that. And again, I am just going to layer over the foil bundle stars there just to add in that extra little bit of sparkle. So again, absolutely excited for that. I think it will look stunning. And this is, yeah, Clip Art Kits art. So yeah, we've got that there. I think both of the previous 2 kits are both art by Kitnish Jess. So we've got this one. I'm pretty sure, I'm certain that art is Kitnish Jess, and I'm fairly sure, I just need to triple check by looking at Fashion People. That's, yeah, and this one is also Kitnish Jess. So we've got 2 Kitnish Jess and 1 Clip Art Kits so far. As I say, I'm going to swap this, so this will be the week of the 7th and this will be the week of the 14th. Then for the week of the 21st of July, we are just moving into some more summery kits, and I absolutely love this one. And this is by Lavi Loves Art. That's who the art is, and the kit is from Plannerface. As I said, I GPR for Plannerface. I love this for summer. I love the like kind of unique summer colours, but it does feel really summery and beautiful, and just makes me happy. So this is the format, and this is the newer script, the newer glitter deco and icon page. That's the words I'm looking for. You've got the 15mm add-on. Of course, you do get the extra skin and hair colours because Anna is super generous, and then I get the box add-on there. So that's there. This is a newer format than the other one that you've just seen. And then foil wise, first up we have this Scribble Prints Co. It is a mixture of pink and I think it's coral glitter, she calls it, in the, I think, pixie dust format. So they're your 4 boxes, your underlays, script and icons, and you can see the difference between the pink and the coral there. And then this is the newer format with the hole protectors in there. Absolutely stunning, and I just think those colours match really well. Although the pink isn't directly like the same as the pink in the kit, I think the colours work really well together. I think so, at least. And then just to bring in a bit more summery, I'm going with this plaid gold, matte gold. It's just a little bit less bright, and then I've layered that over there. And the idea is that the bottom washi is plaid. So it's just like, yeah, it kind of matches like that. So that is the vision, and I am excited. Honestly, there's not one of these foil combos that I'm a bit like for. I was a bit when I was first pulling them out, but I really like how they've come together. And then last but certainly not least, we have the week of the 28th in my main planner, and I am using another Plannerface kit. This one is the April 2024 mystery kit from Plannerface. You cannot use my discount on the mystery, but yeah, you can on anything, like not anything else, customs and customs mystery, stuff like that. You can't, but most things you can use Tilly to save 10%. So this is the April 2024 mystery. This is probably back in the shop now because she brings the kits out 1 year later. So this is a just beside the seaside. It's a nice quintessential British seaside kit. I haven't got any plans to go to the beach. I might be going to the beach this weekend, the week I'm recording this, but we haven't actually decided. We've got various things we've been invited to, and plans have changed, so I don't know what we're doing anymore, basically. So this is the old format with the glitter add-on and the old box add-on, and then you have the mystery add-on there as well. So that's the kit. I really struggled with foil for this, but actually I'm really happy with what I chose, which is this mixed metal gold hollow lavender hollow kit. And I just think it's really, like, it brings in the purple of the kit, but also the goldy summery and then like hollowness of water. So like I think it's magical how this pairs. So you've got your, this is again confetti, so you've got your 4 boxes, your confetti, your scripts and icons, and your bottom washi there. And then again, I really struggled to pick a bougie, an underlay for this, but I went in the end for the abstract shapes in oil slick, because oil slick kind of looks like oil on water, and I kind of thought feel like water. And there is the with the confetti over it. So yeah, absolutely stunning. Again, I just think this is a vision. And maybe this will swap with another week when I do go to the beach and stuff. But yeah, that's kind of the idea at the moment. And that is it for the kits in my main planner that you will see on this channel. You'll see me plan out all of those spreads when we get to them. Just a disclaimer, I do have my baby on my chest and she is starting to wake up and move a bit. So if you hear her, I don't apologise, but that is what you hear. So moving on to my off-camera planner. And going back to the week of the 30th, as I said before, this is my mum's birthday, so I thought I would use the cherry birthday kit. Yeah, I don't have any other birthday kits at the moment. I prefer to not be using a mystery kit in my off-camera planner, but to be honest, this kit isn't very me. It's not very my mum either, to be fair. Like, I'm not a big cherry, but to be fair, actually, my mum loves cherries. Actually, that is a really good point. My mum absolutely loves cherries, and cherry lips are one of her favourite sweets. So actually, I am taking that back. I am definitely using this kit for this, for my mum's birthday, because that makes a lot of sense. I've just made myself happy. Oops, I don't know why that's in there. I clearly was planning on using that with this at some point. I have lined this up before for my grandpa's birthday and then changed my mind. But I decided this time to go with Sparkly Hollow, and I just have all sorts of bits. So like these are from a birthday bundle, and there's just like some confetti, some floral, some stars. There's different summery boxes there, scripts and icons. You've got a shimmer underlay. I've got a snow underlay for some reason. Oh, we've got snow bottom washi, so don't really know what we can do with that. We might just skip that bottom washi, or I might be able to find another Sparkly hollow bottom washi, but we'll see. But yeah, it's just like a put together foil bundle from bits I've got and pieces. So yeah, that's kind of the plan with that. And I think, yeah, now I've talked myself into it. I've talked myself into that being a good kit for my mum's birthday, so I'm pleased about that. And that was the December 2024 Plannerface mystery. Then we're on to the 2 weeks of camp, and as I said, we are doing undersea themed, and I had 3 under the sea kits, so we're just using them. So this is the first one. This is Aquarium from Scrum Prints Co. And you've got a full box on here because of, like, presumably there wasn't enough deco to do more deco. I don't know how I'm gonna make that work, but it is what it is. So there are your 4 boxes. You do actually have 2 extra 4 boxes here, so loads of 4 boxes, just not much deco. Then again, you've got the date covers there, and then I've just paired with this the like twinkle format of foil bundle in silver from Plannerface. So you've got your 4 boxes there, your bougie and your icons, and your bottom washi and scripts there. So that is the vision for the week of the 7th in my off-camera planner. Then, as I said, I do have under the sea theme going on. So we are using this Finding the Nemo kit. I got this in a D-stash, so it came out quite a long time ago, so it's quite an old format, which is part of the reason I am using it in my off-camera planner, because I don't think there will be enough for my main planner in this, but we'll see. Oh my god, solid page of the same pattern is a lot, but we have this 15mm as well. And then with this, there's clearly that extra bit of colour. With this I got these. These are in like ice, and they're just some underlays and 4 boxes from Finding Nemo for Planner Hannah. I won't be pulling in the rest of a foil bundle. I just thought I'd use those, and that would work well and be quite cute. I could pull in more foil, but because it's my off-camera planner, I've just decided to leave it as that. On to the week of the 21st, as I said, we are just moving into summer kits, and I have a couple of freebie summer kits. So this is from the quite recent Planner Boss Collective sale, I believe. I'll double check when we get to some more freebies. This is Cherry Cola. So these are your main 4 boxes, your extra 2 4 boxes. So this is in removable matte. I do tend to use premium matte, but this is what freebies come in. So that's what I got. So you've got that there. Then you've got the extra skin tones, you've got the glitter headers, deco and icons. So yeah, it was the spring 2025 PVC sale, and so this was the icon sheet you got. You also got the 50mm add-on, the toolbox, and then the box add-on. So I presumably spent enough to get all of those. And yeah, it is Cherry Cola. So we've got 2 cherry kits this month actually. So that's there. And then I'm just pulling in this Champagne Lights Celestial foil bundle. It is a Caress Press foil. So you've got the 4 boxes, then we've got the 4 boxes and the headers there. You've got your bottom washi, scripts and icons, and then you've just got standard bougie boxes there. Absolutely stunning, nice, simple Champagne Lights foil bundle to pair with Cherry Cola, and I think that is going to be a really nice combo. And then last but certainly not least, for the week of the 28th, we have the 8th anniversary freebies from Plannerface. So this is before, before Anna used to give you a full kit and a mini kit if you got to the full kit point, but she now doesn't, which actually is a lot easier because there's just way too much in this pile to use. Like, I just won't use half of this at all. So yeah, it's actually works out quite well. So yeah, you've got the newsletter freebie, which was a 50mm and toolbox. Then this is the mini kit as well. So I've got both kits. So I've just got a lot of 4 boxes that I won't use and stuff. And then I've got the glitter add-on there. So that is the kit, and it is just like, it's another just nice summery kit. And then, why do I have 2 foil bundles here? We do not need 2 foil bundles. I'm just going to use that one. So then we just have a matte bronze leftovers foil bundle. Oh, it's okay. They're both leftovers, but there should be enough in this matte bronze one to do just matte bronze. There's just some washi missing, but that's fine. We'll save the other one, I think, for something else. Yeah. So you've got your some 4 boxes there, some more 4 boxes and stuff. Scripts and icons, some more scripts and icons, and you've only got 1 bottom washi. That's going to be the only problem. I probably just won't pull in a second bottom washi and we'll leave it as that. I don't know why I have the second partial foil bundle, but we won't be using that. So yeah, that is for the week of the 28th in my off-camera planner, and that is all of the kits. So there are all of the kits for the month. Unsurprisingly, it is pretty much, it's all Plannerface and Scribble Prints Co. They are my top 2 shops for kits. So we have 4 Scribble Prints Co. and 6 Plannerface kits, and that is kind of it for this video. Let me know if we're pairing on anything. I kind of doubt it, though maybe a little bit with some of the summery ones. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Give it a like, thumbs up, all that kind of jazz. Let me know in the comments. Leave a little fish in the comments if you got to this point in the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!